Hi, hello. Today I have this blue, very smoky eye. It is inspired by Louise, who is an Instagrammer. She's a makeup artist. I will put the photo up on the screen now. I wanted to do this look because it's very out of the ordinary. It's quite bold, it's quite dramatic, and it's not as colourful as I normally do, but it's still got a little bit of blue and some sparkly bits in there. Everything I use will be listed and linked down below in the description box, so go check that out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, and like this video if you enjoyed it. If you want to see how I created this look, the whole look, face, eyes, everything, got lipstick on my teeth, then please keep on watching. So today I'm going to be doing a look inspired by Lo_lavxo on Instagram. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but she is a pro makeup artist on Instagram. She did this look. I'll pop it up on the screen. I probably already did in the intro, but I'm going to be recreating this look, or near enough inspired by this look. Let's just dive right into it. So it's not going to look exactly like it, but I've tried my best, okay? And also I'm going to be testing out the new to me Jessup brushes. These are the 25 set brushes. I bought the rose gold and white ones and also the silver and black ones because I want to try them out and test them on myself, because I want to put them in my makeup kit. So that's why I'm testing them out, you know. I have already tested the eye brushes out, obviously, because I did this eye first. I just prefer to do the one eye first so I can correct a few things and get it how I want it to look in the video. So yeah, now I'm going to go on to this eye. I'm going to be taking the Revolution Cut Crease Canvas Full Coverage Eyeshadow Base in Illustrate, which is the fair shade. And I'm just going to pop that on my hand because I do not like the applicator much that comes with this. It comes with a little brush on the actual, it should be a doe foot, but it's not, it's a brush, so I'm not a fan. To do the base, I'm going to be using the flat brush from the Jessup collection, the 233 Cream Shader. I'm going to pop that all over my lid and carve my eyebrows out. Okay, so today I'm going to be using the Carnival palette by Be Perfect and Stacey Marie. Love this palette. It is stunning. Please tell me I bought that over here. Don't think I did. I always like it. So first I'm going to go in with the shade Mood, which is a dark navy blue, on the Jessup 231 Luxe Petite Crease, which is a nice pointed kind of fluffy brush. And I'm going to pop this in the crease, not worrying too much where I place the shade at the moment. Now I'm going to kind of wing this out, as you can tell on this eye. I'm going to build this shade up until it becomes a dark blue, but we will be adding black. Okay, so to deepen that crease area in the outer corner, I'm going to take the black from the Sample Beauty Paradigma palette, and I'm going to take that on the Jessup 230 Luxe pencil brush. Okay, so jumping back to the Carnival palette, I'm going to take the shade Recharge, which is the shimmery blue, and I'm going to take that on a Jessup 234 Smokey shader, and I'm going to place that where I haven't put any eyeshadow, which are on the lid. Next, after that shade, I'm going to apply some NYX glitter glue and also the Peaches and Cream pigment in the shade Double Denim, which is a nice shimmery like navy colour. And I'm going to apply that pigment with the 237 Detail Shader brush, which is a really nice small petite brush. Okay, so now I'm going to blend the the pigment into the like crease and the outer corner. So I'm going to take the blue shade in the Carnival palette, which is called Mood, and I'm just going to lightly blend into one. I'm not going to take the black because we just don't need it. Just like so. I'm going to close this before I get it everywhere. I only recently got these pigments and I am very pleased with them so far. Amazing. I might be going in with a different one in a second after I've done the face, but so far so good. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the face. First I'm going to wipe under my eyes because I probably have some fallout and I don't want it to be all blue under there. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to my face. Okay, so for primer I'm going to take the Revolution Gold Elixir Rose Hip Seed Oil. I use this because I have quite dry skin, so this works really nicely to keep my skin hydrated. And then to blend that out, I'm going to take the Jessup 125 Stippling brush. Really soft brushes. If you are looking for like cheap priced brushes, a cheap price brush set, that was hard to say, then I would definitely recommend these. I will link where I got them from down below. They do shed a little bit, but it's probably because I've never used them before. So for foundation, I'm going to take the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation in the shade F6, and I'm going to use the Jessup 104 Buffer brush, which is just like a kind of black kabuki brush. It feels really soft. And then I'm going to blend it out with a sponge afterwards. So yeah. Okay, so to go under my eyes, I'm going to use the Born This Way Natural Radiant Concealer in the shade Light because I want a nice light hydrating concealer under the eyes. Okay, this is quite dark. Oh, smells so good. I'm also going to blend that out with a sponge. Now I'm going to quickly set my face with the RCMA No Colour Powder. I'm going to first put this under my eyes, but I'm not going to bake because my under eyes are just too damn dry. And then I'm going to get the Dress Up 106 powder brush and hopefully not get this everywhere. And lightly press this onto my skin. I don't want my skin to be too matte, but I do want something. I hate that packaging. Now I'm going to take the NYX Highlight and Contour Palette. I'm going to take the shade Sculpt, which is this shade here, to contour my face. And then I'm going to take the shade Tan to quickly like bronze my face up. So to contour, I'm going to use the 110 brush, which is called the Face Shape, which is a really teeny tiny brush, but try not to get my face too muddy, you know. And then for bronzer, I'm going to use the Dress Up 101 Luxe Face Definer, which is a nice fluffy, like pointed brush. So before I go on to the bronzer, I'm going to take the RCMA powder again and sculpt under the contour, like so. Now I'm going to go on to the bronzer. So now I'm going to set my face using the Glam Glow Glow Setter. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, so I'm not going to go in with blush today, but I'm going to take the Revolution and Soph highlight palette, and I'm just going to take the really light shade. I believe this is an eyeshadow brush, but the highlight brush is quite big, so I thought a little tiny one would be better. Okay, so back to the eyes. So I'm going to do the lower lash line and inner corner now. So I'm going to jump into the Carnival palette and I'm going to go in with Mood. And on the same brush we used earlier, which is the 231 Luxe Petite brush, and I'm gonna just sweep that right under there, making sure we join the upper corner. Okay, so I'm gonna get the glitter glue again, and I'm going to place a bit of this in the inner corner, and then I'm going to add the Peaches and Cream pigment in the shade Pool Party, which is going everywhere, which looks like this. gorge. Hopefully this looks nice. I'm going to use the brush we used to place the other pigment, the double denim. Just on top of that, I'm going to add a little bit of the highlighter we used, just to add a little bit more like shabam. Like so. And now all I'm going to do is add mascara and add lashes. So the lashes I'm going to go in with are the Tatty Lashes in TL Mitchell, of course, you know. So I'm going to go off camera, apply mascara, lashes and do my eyebrows, and I'll be back to do the lips. Okay, so last but not least is lips. So for lips I got 3 products. So the first one is the Joie Cosmetics lip pencil. I need to sharpen it. In the shade Nude. And then for lipstick, again I'm going to go in with the Joie Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Buttercup. It's quite a pale shade. It's like a peachy shade. Then I'm going to take a gloss. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip gloss in the shade Butterscotch, which is a nice like peachy shade as well. Okay, these are very pigmented. And that is that. That is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you did. These brushes, I would definitely recommend them. They're about 20 something pounds, 25 pounds I want to say. And for 25 brushes, that is definitely a steal. They are so soft. Some of them did shed a little bit, but that's probably because that was my first time trying them out. Once I wash them and use them a few times, they probably won't do that. So yeah, definitely recommend them. Definitely recommend the pigments as well. Yes. If you like this video, please make sure you thumbs it up and let me know down below if you enjoyed it. Let me know down below as well some ideas maybe of videos. I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.